Thinking about resanding and refinishing your hardwood floors? Before you commit, there are some surprising truths most people don't talk about. Many homeowners buy hardwood floors thinking, oh, I'll resand them someday. But did you know that over 90% never actually do it? Let's break down why resanding isn't always the dream solution you think it is, and explore why new flooring might be your perfect alternative. Ready to learn? Let's dive in. Number 1, most people never resand their floors. You bought a thick hardwood because you thought, I can always resand it if needed. But let's be real, life gets busy. Between work, kids, and everything else, most homeowners don't get around to it. Here's a fun fact. Most hardwood floors are replaced instead of resanded. Why? Because resanding is messy, expensive, can still leave you with less than perfect results. Our tip: consider hardwood laminate flooring instead. It's durable, affordable, and are made from real hardwood without needing sanding or refinishing. Number 2, resanding, a dusty disaster zone. Picture your entire home coated in layers of dust. Even with dustless sanding systems, particles sneak into every corner of your house. And here's the kicker. You may need to move out temporarily. Why? The dust and fumes from refinishing can make staying in your home unhealthy. Our tip: skip the mess and consider new flooring. With factory-applied finishes, it's clean, hassle-free solution that's ready to enjoy the moment it's installed. Number 3, say goodbye to texture and colors. When you resand your hardwood floors, you're starting from scratch. The texture you love? Gone. The warm natural tone? Say goodbye. Resanding strips your floor bare. And while you can choose a new stain color, the finish is applied by hand. Now here's the problem. Hand-applied finishes aren't as consistent or durable as factory finishes. Uneven streaks or wear can show up faster than expected. Number 4, not all floors can be resanded safely. Here's a little known fact. Not all hardwood floors are thick enough to handle resanding. If the wear layer is under 4 millimeters, sanding machines can cut right through it, ruining your floor. Even with thicker floors, uneven sanding or poor technique can damage the wood. Number 5, resanding costs more than you think. Okay, all this time, we've been discussing the cost of resanding and refinishing. But what about the real cost? Moolah, dollars, dinero, Bitcoin. Resanding might seem like a budget-friendly fix, but here's the truth. In 2025, it costs about $7 to $9 per square foot just to sand and refinish. And if something goes wrong, like sanding too deep, you could end up replacing your floors entirely. How about replacement costs? You can add about 25% more than resanding. Our tip: instead of spending thousands on resanding, invest in hardwood laminate flooring. Even better, if you choose to do this, these can be placed on top of your existing floor, eliminating the demolition costs. So what's the alternative to resanding? Here's the good news. You don't have to deal with the mess, cost, or stress of resanding your floors. Why choose new hardwood flooring? Number 1, staying on trend. Modern hardwood floors often feature wider planks and new finishes that give your home a fresh, updated look. Innovative options. Today's hardwoods come with better durability and advanced finishes, making them easier to maintain and more resistant to wear. Cost-efficient upgrade. While new hardwood costs about 25% more than resanding, it's a long-term investment that increases your home value. No guesswork. With new hardwood, you don't have to worry about issues like uneven sanding or wear layer limits. Everything is brand new and flawless. And why choose hardwood laminate flooring? It's all of the above, plus budget-friendly. You can save more money without compromising on the real hardwood. Low maintenance. No sanding, refinishing, or special care required. Durable. Scratch-resistant and waterproof. Perfect for families with kids or pets. Green and sustainable. Low volatile organic compounds or VOCs and a thin veneer wood will make everybody breathe easier. We understand that the flooring and home improvement project is a big investment, and it can feel overwhelming trying to choose the right materials and installer. That's why we created a simple process to guide you, ensuring you make decisions that bring peace of mind and protect your investment. Our goal is simple: to empower you with the knowledge to make informed, confident decisions. We'll present all the options, walk you through the pros and cons, and leave the choice to you because you deserve clarity and control over your project. And one more thing. In this industry, two things matters most: chemistry and trust. Chemistry is natural. It's about finding someone you feel good working with. Trust, however, is something we earn through every step of the process. When you choose us, you're not just hiring contractors. You're building a partnership with a team committed to your success, just like we've done for so many past and repeat clients. Do you have any more questions? We're here to help. Email us anytime at hello@redeemforing.com.